Yeah, you know the vibes. I'm in New York, baby. Brooklyn, baby. Wow, it is such a nice day today, guys. This is crazy. This is crazy because I'm in New York and this is crazy. Oh my god. So let me tell you guys a little bit why I'm here. If you've been subscribed to me before, you guys know I'm a model. I'm signed with Wilhelmina. Put that over there. But yeah, I'm signed with Wilhelmina and I'm technically signed with them in LA and New York and all over the US, X, Y, and Z. But I've been in LA for the past 6 years. I wasn't modeling for 6 years. I was in school, I graduated. I just signed a modeling contract over about a year and a half ago. So I was signed there, but pandemic happened. I have not been working in LA and the opportunities are kind of still skewed all over the place in Los Angeles right now. But I heard New York is popping. And I was like, dang, I'm trying to be in the popping area too. So I came out here and I visited my friend a month ago. And while I was here, I was just walking around. I was like, okay, it's New York, you know what I'm saying? Okay, whatever. So then I joined this Facebook group. I'm gonna put the Facebook group right here. It's called New York City Housing Bedroom Sublet, blah, 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 whatever. When I originally was gonna come out here, I was only gonna come for 2 months. But then I got on this Facebook group and I saw these girls listing a room for like 6 months and the place was really nice. It was a prime location. So then when I was here about a month ago, I came and I met the girls and I decided, okay, I'm gonna just go for 6 months. You know what I'm saying? What's the worst thing to happen? Actually, here's a video of me signing my lease. I recorded that so I could put that in this video at some point. Ready? Thursday, February 25th, and I'm about to sign my apartment lease for New York. And I thought I would record myself because I was getting anxiety thinking about signing a 6 month lease in New York. And then I was like, you know what? Do it for the vlog. And throw up. Go to New York, baby. So yeah, that was me signing my lease, and the next thing I know, 4 weeks later, I got on a plane and now I'm here and I live in New York. Don't know anybody out here. I probably know 2 people. I haven't really been doing much, but I've been getting my life together. But I'm here to try to work. I'm here to try to model. I'm here to try to book more gigs. So if you know anyone out there, casting directors, casting people, blah, 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 if you're watching this, book me. That's why I'm here. You know what I'm saying? That's why I'm here. This vlog is basically just gonna be me getting my life together. I'm gonna show you guys my room. I'm gonna show you all my Amazon purchases that I made and how I furnished my room for the low $99, going to Burlington and Amazon. Because honestly, it's amazing. Burlington is the best store ever, and I didn't even, it's just amazing. It's phenomenal. I'm just gonna get my life together. I'm gonna go eat, of course, because that's what I do. I eat. I'm gonna work out at some point. I'm going to just get my life together, and you guys are gonna move to New York with me. I mean, you guys are here, technically, with me. You know, wherever you are in the world, you're in New York with me whenever you watch me. So subscribe to that. All right, let's go see my room. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome you to my huge New York City bedroom. Look at this huge, beautiful room, and look at my huge, beautiful closet and all my beautiful things on the floor, where I'm not going to tell you where I live because of privacy reasons. But look, if you look up, we've got an in-unit AC and heater. It's going to be a good one, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, if you come this way, we got a nice full kitchen and we got a nice living room with nothing in it. All right, let's set up my room. Dun, dun, dun. right, now that my room is done, I'm gonna give you guys a finished room tour. And I'll tell you guys where I got everything. And if you want, I'll put the links down below. So you can go buy them because 90% of the stuff off Amazon. And if the link is not down below, then I got it from Burlington. So here we go. Here's my room, here's my bed, here's my rug. Oh, that's my weighted jump rope. If you're trying to be a skinny legend and get a weighted jump rope, you'll be fit in no time. So I got this rug from Burlington for $40. Water bottle for $10 off Amazon, maybe 15 because it's a Brita filter water bottle, I don't know. But I got this bed, and let me show you guys the trick actually, since I'm only gonna be here for 6 months. This is a blow-up mattress, don't tell anyone. And then I got a memory foam topper. And look, it's a whole new bed, no one ever knows. Next up, if you guys noticed, I hung the curtains up myself. So I got these 2 command strips, like these large command strips right there. And then I bought this hanging rack for $15 from Burlington. And then I got these lightweight curtains for like 12 bucks off Amazon. All right, here's my desk setup. I didn't want to buy a big desk because obviously, you know, look at this room. This is my setup. Oh, let's see what the word of the day is. Damask, a figured woven fabric from a pattern visible on both sides, typically used for table linen and upholstery. Look guys, you get word of the days with me too. This is my rug. I wanted a rug because I'm gonna be doing everything on the floor. So I wanted to be able to lay down. Now let me show you guys my closet. The closet's small, but I ordered a lot of organizing stuff so I kind of have it together. It is a mess right now actually, so be prepared. Just imagine it was organized. So here's the, okay, that looks awful. I am embarrassed. I bought these 2 racks, put my clothes on top, put like laundry stuff, candle, all this stuff down below. There's my makeup bag that I don't ever use. Lotion, these are jeans, towels, sheet was nicely organized at one point, not right now. Here's my hangers, cool, got it, clothes, don't have a lot of them, so that works out perfectly fine. Underwear stuff there, laundry stuff there, and boom. Oh my god, and then look at this door stopper I got. I'll try to bust on open. Jim gonna stop you. Hold it down, Jim, hold it down. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it. That's my room out here in New York, you know what I'm saying? Total price I paid for this bedroom is $1,029. But you know, obviously no one wants to pay that much for this small space, but as long as you got a roof over your head, nothing else matters. Nothing else. Don't ever let anyone tell you different, all right? But I'm gonna put the Amazon links down below just in case you guys want something from here. Now I'm about to head to the gym because I'm trying to get fit out here in these streets. Y'all saw my heavy weighted jump rope out there. That's the key to success. I haven't used it yet though, but I just am envisioning it's gonna be the key to success. I'll let you guys know if it actually works or not, who knows, I don't know, whatever. But let's go to the gym real quick. Let's swipe to the gym. I'm in Brooklyn right now, Brooklyn baby, and I'm on an adventure to find some food. I'm gonna go get Ethiopian food. I was thinking about getting pizza because, you know, my first New York City vlog, I feel like I had to have pizza in it, but then I was like, you know what, dare to be different, you know what I'm saying? And I really want Ethiopian food. I did not want pizza today. So that's where we're going. We're going to this place called Buna Cafe. I'm gonna pick it up and then we're gonna eat it. All right, here it is. Oh man, just walked up the stairs to get here. I'm about to black out. Open. Hey, okay, we got to get into it. Let me just, yes. I'm gonna be honest with you, I have no clue what any of this stuff is, but it looks good. I'm gonna try to pick it up. I don't know how this is gonna work. Ooh. Alright, here's fire. Oh my god. Let's try this one. All right, let's try the yellow lentil. Or maybe, is this lentil? I think it's a split pea, maybe. That one was good. That was interesting. All right, another one. Putting the names down below of what I'm tasting, because off the top of my head, I have no idea. That one's spicy. Woo! It's getting windy out here. Oh my god. I'm getting blown away. Oh god, it's starting to rain. Okay, I'm gonna eat this. I'll be back with something else. I don't know what, but. Okay guys, this is the end of my first New York City vlog, and I'm so excited because this is the first of many more to come, alright? I'm gonna be here for 6 months, you know, getting rich. I told you guys I'm moving to New York to get rich. I wasn't playing, I'm here to get rich. If I'm not rich in 6 months, don't quote me. Just subscribe and wait for the come up. But either way, I'm gonna be here for 6 months, and after that, I'm taking on the world. Y'all think I'm playing? I'm not playing. Y'all thought I was playing about moving to New York, but look, I'm here. I'm in the Big Apple, baby. The Big Apple, baby. People are staring at me, this is embarrassing. But either way, thanks guys for tuning in. Shout out to my old subscribers, my loyals. Shout out to my new loyals. Shout out to my future loyals. I love you guys. Blessings.